How to share a Google Calendar, a simple step-by-step guide. It's not always easy to share important events with your friends and family, especially when you're too busy to make a call or write a letter. Now that Google Calendar is available in more places, it's easier than ever to build time into your day. How to creating sharing rules for a Google Calendar. To have access to share the calendar with others, you need to set the sharing rules. You can do this by adding an organizer who controls the shared calendar. If you don't want everything shared with anyone, set a specific group or invite people. If someone is added an organizer who doesn't handle the event well, you can remove them from it. Working with sharing settings in the calendar. Working with sharing settings in the calendar is very easy. All you need to do is search the browser bar for settings. With your settings, you will be able to change when the calendar appears on multiple devices and whether or not to allow someone else to view an event without knowing the calendar owner's password. If someone wants to view an event, they have access to all of the settings. Add new events to my calendar. If you want to find out how to share your Google Calendar, then this guide will be helpful. Getting started is as easy as following these steps. Choose the Who Gets Access to What group when logging into your Google Calendar. The next step is to enter the people who will have access to view the calendar. To do this, refer your email in which you received your invite. Next, proceed to set up a how to share a calendar with these people so they know what time is when on your calendar and vice versa for them. Synchronize and send meeting invites. Google Calendar invitations can be sent to multiple people using the share feature. You can also easily invite, locate and show tickets by using the calendar. It also has tools that limit an individual's access to the date and time range they are sharing. Set up synchronized meetings. Using Google Calendar with contacts can be tedious. One method for setting up meetings is to become friends on Google Calendar and send each other events. This will make sharing easy because you'll both automatically know the date, time, and recipients of your meeting invites. The downside is that these invitations are sent via email, which can be cumbersome. Receive and accept invitation to calendar event. If you would like to invite people to your personal Google Calendar but you don't know any of their email addresses or they don't have a Google account, the easiest way to add them is to invite them and receive a phone number. Code. This is a 3-step process. Create reminder for on-air meeting. Whether your work requires you to routinely air out certain hours, or you just want a safer and more efficient way to bring up the subject of an upcoming meeting with your managers, having a Google Calendar on your desk is an easy way to simplify scheduling. The downside of this convenient method is that it's not always so easy for other people to access, but fear not, because there's a quick and easy trick that can make it manageable. BCC members on your distribution list. You are subscribed to the activities of your team members' calendar. But what if this annoying calendar isn't just showing someone you work with, but their mom? Let's say Kelsey joined the company last year ago when she was an intern. Now she is a permanent staff member with her complete schedule integrated into her email. All of you on her distribution list are there as well, so why not share it with them? CC members looks like a helpful way to do that without saying anything either, and it looks pretty clean. Update meeting location and description. Depending on what you need to share, updating meetings locations and descriptions can be frustrating. For those who have difficulty manipulating screen keyboards or search boxes, this guide will make sharing a quick matter of following a few simple steps. You'll set the location of the meeting by either clicking on it from the calendar, or associating an event with it in your calendar. You'll also provide details about when, where, and how long the meeting is lasting so that other attendees know what to expect from their participation. One of the most stressful things I think people struggle with when they don't have a calendar in their lives is how to share it with people. Although calendars may seem complicated when we first get one, it's never too late to start sharing yours. They are easy to use and only take about 2 minutes for you and your coworkers to set up.